This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chansey. Second floor 2 bedroom. 2 bath. Original owner gently used as a vacation home all these years. AC was replaced in 2017. There is an electric tankless hot water heater. All laminate flooring/laminate plank throughout, no carpeting. Domed ceiling in the kitchen. Nice breakfast bar. Easy maintenance with the H.O.A covering most everything on the outside: paint, roofs, pest, insurance, lawn, trash, even water/sewer is included. You'll enjoy all the activities offered at Woodside. Heated community pool and clubhouse. Centrally located, walk to shops and restaurants, WAL-MART, ALDI. Close to I-95, 15 minutes to the beaches. For more information, review the details below.